Hey, thank you for tuning in to Indulge in Aisha. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is attempting to dye my synthetic bundles. Yes, synthetic. So I brought this here from Sam's Beauty, and it's the Shake and Go Body Wave. And I plan on having pink hair. However, this hair comes in 613. It's labeled as a mixed blend of human and synthetic. So I'm gonna make an attempt to dye this hair. Hopefully, since it's 613, it'll work, but the synthetic part is what's scaring me. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. The hair was $10 a bundle, so honestly, if it messes up, it messes up, but I really hope it doesn't mess up. Anyway, so what I'm going to be using today to dye my bundles is I actually have a fabric dye and a hair rinse. So not necessarily dye, but rinse it. So I know synthetic hair typically doesn't dye with regular hair rinse, and I have this 142 Adore pink blush. Hopefully you guys can see that, or you all can see that, and it looks like a hot pink. I don't really want the hair to be hot pink. I want it to be baby pink, but I brought this because I couldn't find a baby pink that would. I couldn't find the baby pink in the store. They only had lilac, which is like a kind of purple. And also I was hoping like maybe if I don't use too much, it'll come out, or if I don't leave it in the dye so long, it won't get really dark. But this is it again. I have 2 bottles of that. And then I also have this fabric dye that I bought from Walmart, and it's 2-in-1 fabric dye, and it's supposed to be off and even coverage, and it says ultra rich, and this is in bright pink, and it says now 50% brighter. So how I'm going to be dyeing this hair, or rinsing this hair, is I'm going to utilize the bucket method, well, the dip method. So I'm going to be heating up some water. So here I have some water, and it's going to sit over here and boil, and I'm going to pour the water into my bucket. My power went out. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm gonna keep it all the way funky with y'all. I forgot to come back and record, so yeah, I never finished what I was saying on camera. But anyway, I used the fabric dye first, and I didn't add any rinse until later on. So what I'm doing is I'm just preparing everything. I got the water boiling. I'm gonna go grab some more water to mix it in with that boiling water. So I filled up some regular tap water and just poured it in with the boiling water. The fabric dye told me I had to put some salt in the water, so I put some salt in. I didn't follow the instructions. I was supposed to put way more salt than I did, but I messed that part up. But anyway, I digress on that. So I added all the hair in the water, had it chilling, set in the water for about an hour or two because I fell asleep. It was only supposed to sit in for a total of 1 hour. A total of like 45 minutes or something like that. But yeah, and then I poured out most of the water and noticed the hair wasn't pink. I panicked. So I boiled more water, poured the full bottle of rinse in there, poured some more boiling water and some cool water, and then let that sit for about 4 hours. Woke up, rinsed the hair out with cold water only, and that's how I was able to achieve my color. So that's not on camera. The finished look of the bundles. Some is pinker than the other. Okay, so I'm back. This is the finished look of the wig, y'all. Yo, I'm so proud of this wig. First of all, remember it's synthetic or a mixed blend. And yes, like, yes. First of all, look at the length. Check the length. Check the length. And what they say, 30 inch? I don't know, but child, first of all, it's too long for me. I was making a reel, so that's why I have on a bathing suit. I'll put the reel at the end of this video. But yeah, this is the wig. It came out so good. The pink. This is the exact color of pink I wanted. Wait, my sister told me how to do it, y'all. I still do it wrong. Wait, she said, forward, side, swing. Forward, side, swing. Never mind, too focused. But it looks really good. Only thing is if I do like that, I shouldn't be doing that. But you know what? I love it. I love it. Okay, now let me finish editing so you can actually watch this video.